silent. But where? Hey, that should work. Wait, didn't someone say something about this place? Yeah, sure, whatever. Nope. Don't remember anybody saying anything. Time to get all those noises out! Whoa! Shiny, glowy things. Woo, 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 blah, 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 bam, bam, whoa! 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 Secret crystals! I wonder why they don't want anyone to come down here. It's like a crazy hall of mirrors. Rock and roll! I rock. Whoopsies. Oh, darn.
Too loud? Guys! I know. I lost the quiet competition. You lost like 5 times already. I stopped competing a while ago. I'm just enjoying the peacefulness. Well, it's about to get a lot less peaceful.